Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So last week was a fairly big engulfing red bar, but there's always a but. We are at some decent weekly structure, and you would always expect a pullback to come and test a break of the 150 EMA. So there is a zone here and we're in at the moment, or we're testing, so take it with a big pinch of salt. Could be bottom of a big range, or we could argue that it is a double top setup. So if we come down to the levels that we need to be paying attention to, you start seeing the structure. So here's the neckline for the double top. Look at that massive close, and it looks like a bit of a flag forming. So this does look like a zone of short, which is at 110.028. This 110 area is obviously a very, very big round number, and it's something which we do need to pay attention to, pretty much because it's almost like a pivot that's been around for many years. Okay, so what we're looking for is structure, and if you look at this on the 3 hour, last week, one-way traffic down, could be an exhaustion bar here. The price action of yesterday, let's not read too much into it because it's typical Monday price action with no noise, no catalyst to drive it. So this could be a bounce, a rejection, and a move lower. So what you're looking for here on the hour is, if this is going to continue, which at the moment doesn't look very exciting, because you need a rejection of 110.090, 110.028, and possibly 110. So I'd watch this area for rejection. If you get a rejection off there, then there's definitely an opportunity for a short, but just bear in mind you're above the moving averages, and the moving averages are kind of rolling a bit at the moment. So the zone of supports is 109.540 to 109.215. We are fairly close to that, 600 points. So if we drop down to the 15 minute and you look at what happened yesterday, we are ranging. So from a 50-minute perspective, you could actually see a break and retest of 109.840 to come back and test this 110, which is probably what's going to happen. So short-term long here, you've got 150 point risk for 160 point gain, so a little bit better than 1-to-1, and then you need to wait and see what happens at 110. If we reject 110, there's probably a move down, but bear in mind, because we've ranged for the whole of the day yesterday, that could turn into support. So break it, come back, test it, stay above it, and then have another attempt to get it back above 110. Then that starts flipping it to being bullish. So for me, watch 109.840, and then watch the low of yesterday, 109.543. Those are the two levels you've got. Target to the downside would be 109.200 or 109.220 to make it safe, and target to the upside is going to be 110. Okay, anyway, that's kind of me for today. A little bit confusing today. The whole markets are all over the place, but there are opportunities if you are patient. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.